So I'm Mateo Zimmerman, Head of Investments and Partnerships at Cemex Ventures. Cemex Ventures is the open innovation arm of Cemex, one of the largest building material companies in cement, concrete and aggregates. And we have been pushing for open innovation since 2017. So there is difficult because we have 27 investments so far, but we like very much our latest investments. It's a company called Terra CO2 that does SCMs, so as substitute for cement. Very good time to market, impressive products, and we're really looking forward to working with them. I would go kind of more with slow kind of revolution, because I like that actually it's making an impact, kind of working on the adoption. I think it's a very big industry, so it moves slow, but at the same time it's very robust. So once you start with it, it's very difficult to stop it. So I think obviously first you need to understand the company you're talking to. Not all the companies go through the same model. I think it's first is understanding who's the user, who's really the enabler, who's the customer. So I think that understanding is very important. I think we've seen that over and over again. And if you have that understanding and who's also kind of the sponsor for each of the solution is really important. And obviously understand each role. Kind of for us, we as open innovation, we're the gate openers. We're not the decision makers, right? So we'll try to push it as much as possible, but also kind of try to understand kind of who's sitting at this other side, just trying to be humble and trying to solve the pain point, right? Understand the pain point and try to solve the pain point. I think there is still kind of, I like the problem that we have. Well, I don't like it, but it's a big problem that we have this with skilled workers and the gap that we have, right? So that's already something we're feeling today. It will become more and more obvious every day. So that's something we're tackling from different fronts, right? It could be productivity, it could be robotics, it could be kind of digital processes, but that's actually a challenge that's not easy to solve because it's difficult to bring more people into the industry. So because we have that skill in other industries as well, that gap is in other industries, so difficult to solve. But I think with technology, obviously that can be an enabler to doing things differently, to do things more efficiently and better. Fascinating. I mean, my heart goes with Paris, but probably my head would go more for San Francisco, where obviously there is kind of better in terms of VC network. But I like Paris, I lived here, so personally, I would prefer Paris. I'll go for European. We have already a lot of Americans, and we have so many good industry players in construction in Europe that I think we need to bring a European unicorn. Yeah.